Hi everyone, here is I'm doing floor installation, and before installation need to do some prep. You see, here is the floor sloping down, this side and this side also. Here is the wall. You see, if you have a look on tripod. So I put laser, match this height, you see, this is the high spot. So this side was sloping also. I already fill up, and here it will be sloping a little bit too. And this side, I'm just want to show you the straight edge. You see the line, laser line. So it's like this. You see, there is a gap. If here is it's lay exactly on the subfloor, there is a high. So, sorry, low. And if we take laser to other side, you see, like this. I wanna put here some strip of wood to make block, and then when I install floor, I put board across. Why I'm leaving this space down, don't want to fill up it, because I can put board down, you know, strip. I don't need to undercut, make some reducer or something, just put it down and attach the boards. And the same story I want to do like right there. So, okay, it's just a little bit about flooring. I just want to tell you. So here is how it's work. Install laser, find the highest spot, then set up tripods and fill up the area. So now I want to mix the self-flowing compound. Because it's already everything prepared, I put foam. Why I need foam? Self-flowing compound not attached to the wall. I just want to show you something here. You see, there is a foam, and we have gap. It's approximately 1/8 all the way. And when I install floor, any sound, it's not be. You see, here is the foam. Not be transmitted to the walls. If it's transmitted to the walls, you can feel it downstairs, you can feel it upstairs, everywhere. Sound if you drop something. But if we insulate, it will be, you know, very good. So okay, so I put foam for protection, sound protection, and gap for self-flowing compound expansion. So also I put silicone on the bottom and then fill up all cracks, holes everywhere. Oh, I found some. You see, I found some when I'm just explaining you. Here it is. And need to put somewhere here. So like this. Need to fill it up. Just put more than less. To avoid any leaks. So, and I put, it's called primer key. You see, this is primer key. It's especially for wood, for old tiles, concrete, some surfaces, which is not real concrete. I mean, solid concrete. For example, there is tiles. If I wanna put sulfur compound over, I'm not removing tile. I'm just take the grinder, remove the glassy top, then I can put this primer and level it. This is really good primer. So primer, foam, sealer, fill up all holes. Now it's ready to do. Now it's ready. So always need to make a double check. So And here is, you see, small hole from nails. It's hard to fill up hole. That's why most of when I'm do wood subfloor leveling, I'm just put plenty patch. When I'm just put plenty patch everywhere, it's fill up whole holes, and I need to spend a lot of time to fill up with silicone each hole. Okay, so now let's go to the leveling. Where is my barrel? I'll take barrel, easy, fast, and we can fill up. Here it is. I just wanna put piece of wood right here. So, and then it's easy for me make a reducer, and I would insulate it. So don't forget your command. It's really important. You see self-leveling compound attached all plates. It means it's level just one right there. So maybe just we can just a little bit. Oh, now it's fine. So I have still self-leveling compound. So what I wanna do, I fill up this area first, and then I will fill up this area. So here is 1 barrel of water in 3 bags self-leveling compound. Okay, let's go. So here it is. I just add a little bit, and then first of all need to spread it. So need a little bit more. Like this. Okay. So first of all, just spread with trowel, and then we'll use straight edge. Okay. Now we can use straight edge. Just put straight edge. And then just like this. I guess too much. So, very simple. Now I'm gonna do just take the roller. Need to take off tripods, just like this. I call this fishing. And this one. You see? Okay, so now I take roller and roll it out. So, and before rolling, I'm just have to wash it. So now it looks like this. You see, there is blockage. Here is fine. There is just little overlapping, and then grinding a little bit this grinder. So tomorrow it will be ready. Here is not much, dry very fast, inside very nice temperature, warm. So then I can start whole installation. So now, so how it's work? So here is when it's dry, the sulfide compound, and I just grind the edges. And so now I can start installation. You see, here is already I did floor. Like I told, subfloor will be higher than tile, and I made reducer. Same reducer I will do right here. So you see, now when you have self-loading compound, which is really flexible, we can level the wood subfloor, concrete subfloor, and it's not cracking, you see, no cracks, really, really good. And I recommend you, when you're doing leveling preparation, use the self-loading compound also. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.